Ever wanted to see the beautiful birds that were extinct long ago? If yes, then you're in luck, because there are certain birds that were considered extinct, but now they are reappearing. Yeah, it sounds crazy, but it's true. Isn't that exciting? So in today's video, we're gonna discuss 5 birds that came back from extinction. We've uploaded a lot of interesting videos about animals and birds on our channel for you. There were some birds in the past which were extinct in some period of time, but now some of them were endangered and then restored their population to a healthy level. Let's discuss some of the birds which have found their long-lost identity and have now bounced back from extinction. Number 5. The Pava Aliblanca. The Pava Aliblanca is also referred to as the guan, with white wings, which is identified in Chachalaca. This Pava Aliblanca was first discovered in 1877, but after various explorations of research and no witnesses, it came into an interval of extinction declared by a community of scientists. It again restored its identity when it was founded in 1977 in Peru with a species count of less than 250. They are still threatened to be endangered. These birds are from the order of the landfowl. These breeds are known to sustain in the regions of Peru Northwest, Piura, Cajamarca, and Lambayeque. This bird is medium-sized, with a length of 70 centimeters. Their weight is usually about 3 kilograms and their outlook is almost the same as a turkey. They're classified as aves from the Animalia kingdom and belong to the family of Crassidae. When it breeds, its voice becomes deeper, like a human male. They survive by eating various seeds, grains, leaves, and plants from various kinds of bushes, trees, and plants. The Pava Aliblanca is a bird specific to the territory during the season of its breed. The first threat initiated when the species were endangered due to excessive hunting, which is a threat also for them today. They were included in the extinct breed of birds, but they critically acclaim their re-entry today, although they're still believed to be endangered due to overhunting. Number 4. Takahi. Takahi, also known as the Notornis or South Island Takahi. These stunning birds belong to the species of flightless birds and have lost their ability to fly throughout their evolution. They are native birds of New Zealand and are now categorized as the largest members of the rail family that are still alive now. The Takahi was first identified in 1847 by native Europeans. These birds belong to the breed of flightless birds, and in 1800 they were assumed to become extinct birds in New Zealand. But they rose from their extinction again in 1948 to some of the areas of the South Island. Its average weight is about 3 kilograms, and their height is usually about 63 centimeters. The females are about 2 kilograms in weight, and the Takahi is thick, strong, with short, powerful legs. Both genders are almost the same in appearance. The females can be a little smaller compared to the male. Takahi is quite a shouting, noisy bird. They usually scream at the top of their lungs in case of any danger. These beautiful birds feed on various small insects such as termites, crabs, worms, snails, and grains, seeds, and leaves. As the Takahi bird is flightless, they are usually found within a specific territory and prefer to go into forests or shrubbery during the snowy season. These birds were quite large in their population until the introduction of many factors such as habitat loss, overhunting, and due to various predators. These factors have led to their near extinction.
It's now time for today's subscriber pick. Today's photo was sent to us by a subscriber wondering about this mythical creature looking a lot like the baby dragon from the 2006 movie Aragon. If you come across a mysterious photo online and want us to look into it, just send it over, and we may even feature it on a future video. So, we looked into this mystical creature, and we're sorry to say that it's probably photoshopped. Looks like the maker of this photo worked some kind of dinosaur head onto a pretty cool bird's body. Funny how closely birds could resemble dragons. Still, this one's unfortunately not real.
Number 3. The North Island Saddleback. The North Island Saddleback is a lovely bird from the class of passerine birds. It usually resides in forests unique to the location of the North Island of New Zealand. In Maori, it is also identified as a tieke. The North Island saddlebacks are from the kingdom of Animalia, belonging to the class of aves of the order of Passeriformes. This bird species was first located in 1828. They were identified in huge populations around the North Island and forests. But in the 19th century, the period of their extinction started due to various predators, such as rats, other animals, and deforestation. They were rescued in 1964 by New Zealand Wildlife Service again and reappeared from extinction. The North Island saddleback is very small in appearance, with an average weight of 80 grams for males and 70 for females. Their average height is around 25 centimeters. Their feather part is usually black, and these pretty birds usually feed on small insects like worms, snails, centipedes, and also consume grains and seeds. They occupy the coastal evergreen forests and lowland broadleaf area, but they can also be identified in various other forests due to translocation. Number 2. White-throated rail. The white-throated rail, also regarded as Cuvier's rail, is a breed of birds that belong to the family of Rallidae. Seychelles, Mayotte, and Madagascar are some of the locations native to these birds. They disappeared in the late 20th century due to predators. A new study has revealed that the white-throated rail again rose from its extinction and is now identified in various regions across the globe. These birds belong to the race of flightless birds. They feed on invertebrates, which mostly include small crabs, small mollusks, and various types of insects, like snails, worms, termites, and beetles. These alluring birds usually breed in the rainy season or monsoon-like season in Madagascar. White-throated rails are medium in size, typically around 280 grams, and the females have an average weight of 250. They are very specific in their appearance and can only be discovered in their local territories. Number 1. The black robin bird. The black robin bird is also widely known as the Chatham Island robin and is one of the smallest birds present on the face of the earth. They are native to South Island robin and are from the genus of Petroica. They were first identified in 1872, but many factors led to their disappearance, with only 5 birds surviving of Little Mandurah Island. Don Merton and his wildlife services saved these birds from extinction, and now 250 birds of this species are recognized around the world. Black robin birds are usually similar to sparrows with small appearances. Their height is about 10 to 15 centimeters. It has black and brown plumage, black feet, and a black body. The females are usually smaller as compared to the male birds. Black robin birds are known for their singing. These birds live in shrubbery forests located at a lower altitude. Their life survival rate is usually calculated to be around 6 to 13 years, and they start breeding at the age of 2. The female bird breeds, and when they produce their eggs in the nest, they rest on them.